So they've got us to wait with the lock being full. Hello everyone, and welcome to the third and last part of the Caledonian Canal videos. In this episode you'll see Donna set a life jacket off. If anybody needs to know how to fix it, have a look in the description below. I'll put a link into a video I've done. Also in this episode you'll see the Harry Potter train, the Harry Potter steam train that is, me having a little bitch fit because I couldn't get my own way, and a time lapse of us going down Neptune steps before going out onto the west coast of Scotland.
Missed it. Is that Harry Potter?
She's asleep already. What train was that, Jen? Jen?
It's Harry Potter. Harry Potter?
Last day on the Caledonian Canal. A little bit annoyed this morning. We got here about 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon. It was just before Neptune Steps. Neptune Steps is just down there. We got told at 1 o'clock yesterday that we couldn't get down the steps because they only do morning ones. Told us 8:30 in the morning. It was the first lockdown, or the only lockdown because of staff shortage. So what we've done is sat around, went for a little walk around Fort William, and got up quite early this morning, sat here from 8 AM waiting to 11 o'clock now, and just seen one of the lock keepers who've just, obviously they've been somewhere else working, and he said, oh no, we haven't got enough time to get you down now, because it takes longer than 2 hours and they go on the lunch at 12. So he said they'll finish their lunch at 1 and start getting us down, which makes everything a bit of a nightmare because we missed the tides. And it's a night nav now to Oban, which is a little bit annoying. It's just pity that they couldn't have got us down at 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon, so we sat on this pontoon for 24 hours in theory for nothing, but staff shortage, one of those things.